to Havelock to join the PTBO ATV Group. Fred and Don went out and inspected the trails there. Said the snowmobiles wouldn't be on them. They're down to gravel. As you can see here, you can see in the background, there's hardly no snow here. Get further north, there's snow, but down south of 7, there's not much. So Fred organized a ride today, and we're going to do a little rail bed loop from County Road 50 parking lot there at Havelock, over and down around Stirling Way and back up. Sounds like there's going to be a pretty good crowd. A lot of people commenting on Facebook, so there should be quite a few of us. Roland there, the Fanatical Side Rider, is supposed to have his new Z-Force 950 out. So looking forward to seeing that machine go there today. I know Roland's looking forward to riding it. So yeah, so we get up here to County Road 50 and we get unloaded and suited up. We'll walk around and check out some of the machines. Catch you in a little bit. Welcome back. Oh, we're up here at Nefton now, or Nefton, at Havelock, County Road 50. And I think they said there's like 23 machines, maybe 24 now that Catherine's here. I'll turn you around here and give a little walk by of everybody here. Say hi to YouTube. Hi.
Oh, okay.
There's that.
Smile for the camera.
That's right. You got to pose.
Okay.
Come on, Ron, pose.
There you go. Those insulated coveralls really do it for you. Victor, say hi.
Hi, Don.
Where's Laura?
Don for a pee.
Oh.
Get that on camera.
Where is she?
Out there.
Say hi to YouTube. Oh, we got, looks like someone's brand new Argos.
Yep.
Maiden voyage?
Hopefully one of them will be running to pull the other one back.
That's okay, we got the Yamaha to tow them back with, right people? Yeah. Here comes Laura from her pee. I was just coming to get you on camera. I was just gonna have you stick your hand up. You know, we weren't gonna intrude on you too much. Laura's always a good sport for us. She makes good content. Just like Victor does, right, Victor?
That's right.
9:30.
Really good crowd here.
I figure when it says 9:30, that's leaving time.
Allie? Just one thumb?
So far.
Okay. Okay, just remember this isn't my ride, right? Oh, and here we go, White Lightning. Check this out.
I know, brand new. He's crying about it already.
I know, I went for a little ride in it last Saturday.
Isn't that nice?
Okay, I can't believe you should go get one, but Donna's gonna kill you.
Who cares?
Donna's gonna murder you.
No, she'll murder you. Okay.
Hey, we got an Argo here. Say hi, Steve.
Yeah, I just thought
How you doing?
You're on YouTube. What we got here? CF Moto 1000? Yeah? Good crowd. So we'll catch up with you here in a little bit when we get rolling. Should be a good day. I think some of us are going to be a little overdressed because it's supposed to get a little warmer later on, but not much we can do. Oh, here. We'll get Fanatical Side Rider.
ATV Adventures.
There's Fanatical Side Rider.
Nice camera. How you doing, Don?
Not bad, Roland. How are you?
I'm good. You're ready for a nice ride on this beautiful highway?
We are. We are. Yeah, you ready for some White Lightning's maiden voyage?
Yep. Yeah, I already cracked a little lightning on the trail. Took it for a warm it up spin.
Right on.
So try not to spin any dirt on me.
Well, you know,
slush.
you get that Yamaha power there.
There you go. There's no Honda representation today from
Yeah.
Nissan 74.
Yeah, no, Derek chickened out there. He had to go on the snowmobile instead.
Oh, jeez.
See, Derek? Like, no one's here. Well, I guess there is a Honda four-wheeler here. Two of them, actually.
Yeah, all the way.
Oh, yeah, there's another Honda rider.
no.
But no Honda Talon rider, because, you know, they're scared to come out.
Notice
So.
that they have to wear helmets so that nobody recognizes them.
I think that's it, yeah. Yeah. We'll catch up with you here in a little bit.
Get him at the end.
Okay, and
You can go first, I'll follow you. Then when the parts fall off, I'll pick them up for you, okay?
okay, that works.
I'll be Derek. I'll be Derek today.
Okay.
Just been waiting for this day. Say hi, Allie. Say hi, Jim. Good Yamaha Grizzly. There you are in the Argo. New 2 Argo ATVs here. I didn't know how big that was. I got my chainsaw with me. So I thought I'd come up here to see if they needed help, but I guess they didn't. See, they got a caution sign back here. This is where the trail was flooded up there last time we come out. I'm guessing she's flooded again. This is where it's usually flooded up, right? This is where it's always flooded.
Yeah. Well, this is where.
Oh, they have her blocked off? Fred be the guinea pig. I don't think it was as deep as it was last time. I don't think it's as deep as it was before.
I don't think so either. I don't know, I think it is. I get some of the ice out of there.
Yeah, I came right along the beaver dam here and there was nothing.
Little deep on that side.
Oh, right here it's perfect.
Yeah.
I think that's where Jim's gonna go. Don't dump Ellie into the swamp. That's Keith and his X3.
So much for being clean.
She'll be okay. She goes right along there.
Yeah.
No problem. Uh-oh. There we go. That was the big grizzly. No problem for the grizzly. See that, people? A good Yamaha. Big CFO to 1000. Oh, he just got two-wheel drive. Put her in four.
Put it in four-wheel drive. It is.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
If it is, something's broke.
It's not in four-wheel drive. Four lock. Try it again.
There you go. This guy could have went out in the swamp.
Yeah.
There's a couple brand new Argos, maiden voyage in the water. No problem.
Put it in four-wheel.
Now you're gonna have to back up a little bit.
Back up a bit.
Okay.
Right there.
I think he's got a tire leaking on that. When he come out of there, it's a great big bubble. Oh, Roland's getting white lightning. Dirty and wet here. Tried to keep her clean. tow ya? I had to put that in there, Roland.
You're gonna have to go back home and get my 800.
Hit her a little harder. Oh, I'll give her shit. There you got her.
Oh, there you get a water wheel.
Here comes one of these Honda riders. Good job you're not here, Derek. No grizzly here. Give your skidoo a run for the money. I'd race you right through here. Yeah, we're at the Twin Bridges here at Crow River. Yeah, we're in the Bonner Law. Is this a smoking circle?
Yeah.
Okay. Kind of like high school days, you know, you guys all huddle together. Yeah.
That's right.
The smoking area.
Smell.
And you probably notice I don't have a license plate yet. It's because it isn't registered.
You rebel rolling.
I know.
Well, when you dress like an OPP cop, you can get away with that stuff, eh?
Yeah.
Remember you were coming along the trail and he was standing there taking a video because you met us part way one time and I said, "Cindy, go,
shit.
what? OPP." All of a sudden, I got, "Oh, it's rolling."
No.
With the red on the pants. That's what.
Oh yeah. That's my thing. Should have the stripe all the way down. No, but something to do with the Quebec website to register this thing here in Ontario. It's down to the 17th, which was yesterday.
Did it come with the roof too?
Or was it? Yep.
Yeah.
I like the way it's got the doors come out like that, so you got more shoulder room.
What was the other one? 800?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Neat looking.
Just the ride is
What's that?
It's neat looking.
It's different.
Yeah.
It looks better now that he put the box on it.
Yeah.
Without the box, they don't look finished.
Yeah.
They look like half done type of thing.
Like you're missing
Yeah.
something.
Yeah, like it's missing something, yeah. But with the box on there, it really completes it. And I like how these here are the same color because, you know, some of them are that gray color.
Yeah.
And they stand out. They look kind of goofy on
I
there.
don't have my glasses on.
That's your CVT air intake, and that's your air filter over there.
Get 2 jerry cans for here, which will bring it up.
Yeah.
Trails are perfect out here today. A little bit of water back there was running down the trail, but not too much. out. Got some nice videos up. Just like I said, this was his maiden voyage for that Z for 950. I went up last Saturday to his place, checked it out there. He just took me for a little spin down his driveway and back. But yeah, no, he's pretty proud over there. Got his 800 still for sale if anybody's interested in that. It's a good little machine. He sure hasn't heard it, that's for sure. Definitely go over and check out his YouTube channel, Fanatical Side Rider. I'll put the link in the video there down below so that you can click on it maybe and check them out. On a sled right now, kind of hard on the skis and the tracks. And we are allowed on these. Everybody screaming, oh, you're not supposed to be on the trail. No, they're allowed on here. The OTA says they're allowed, so we're taking advantage of it. If they're grooming, we'd stay off, but there's definitely no grooming happening here, as you can see. And as you can see on back there, we definitely aren't hurting the trail. Snowmobile taking off if a dead stop's gonna dig up that trail more than we are. Forgot to mention there earlier, Fred said we're going to go over to Tweed now instead of going down to Stirling. So we're doing kind of the same route we did there the last time I went out with these guys. After New Year's there. That's all good. We'll get us out on the trails here. Probably a little less muddier up this way than down Stirling way. I think there's a lot of the tracks that are down to gravel and dirt. That's a few more puddles probably. It breaks through the ice. Up this way there's a little more kind of ice, I guess you could say. Good, probably go over here to Tim Hortons, have a coffee, a hot chocolate, and I'll head her back. That'll be, I think last time we were just shy of 100 kilometers, like 98 kilometers or something like that. Still a good ride, beautiful day out. Can't beat the weather. There's always got to be one for the center of attraction.
Stirling and back up, come out to Bartolaw?
I don't care, it's up to you guys. Totally up to you guys.
Okay. I didn't know if somebody, you know, had to be home by, you know, 5 o'clock or something like that.
I don't know that. I don't know about anybody else.
No dinner appointment tonight?
No.
Okay.
I think we're going to go to Stirling, he said. Everyone else coming? As long as no one hits me here, I'll be fine. Down here just south of the Ridge Road.
Didn't I say it would be nice and muddy down here?
Oh yeah, I figured it would be. Those guys over there. Hey Roland, can those guys get by? You guys want by? Sure. Have we got you lost? I say, have we got you lost?
No, we're okay.
Oh, okay. Oh, you got GPS there? There's Roland over there. He pulled into Stirling and he used the excuse that he couldn't see out his windshield and he had to go to the car wash and he washed his whole machine because he had some dirt on it. That's just an excuse, Roland. I think he even got some cow shit on it today there at one spot, and then we were coming down the rail bed and he probably got even some horse shit on it. Got your signal light on. Your signal light's on.
What?
Your right signal's on.
Okay, thank you.
You're confusing everybody. Here, we're gonna head north here to Connerlaw. Go straight on down there, take you over to Calvin. And make a left right there, and it'll take you down to Glen Ross. Dirty again.
Never sloppy, eh?
Oh yeah. But I said to Fred, we should have maybe came this way this morning. Might have been a little more froze because it was after lunch. That's when we noticed it coming back. It got really thawed out.
Wash it off.
usually in the summer it's a little cooler and usually not quite as dusty where it's sheltered like that. I get why they're doing it. Stick on your floorboard. And we're back in a little bit of snow here now. Again, we're only by car, you might be 5 minutes north of Stirling, if that. Here to Havelock. Head her back over to Havelock. And we're at Pearl River here at the Tweed Bridges. To the parking lot. A good ride. I'll catch up with you here in a little bit here and we'll find out how many kilometers we did. Now we're back here to the parking lot and thought I'd ask Roland here what he thought of his maiden voyage on his new Z-Force.
I thought it was a great time out. I mean, couldn't ask for a better maiden voyage because it was all nice snowy flat trails and I managed to not keep it clean. I wanted to keep it clean, but
You already washed it once.
I washed it halfway home. I thought it'd be fun.
Yeah.
But I'm heading straight to the car wash now. Can't put it in the garage.
Oh, I can't put it in the garage like that. No.
Drive me nuts.
No. Well, there goes Keith.
But it worked really well.
That's awesome.
Worked well. What, we got about 120 kilometers on it, so
Is that how many we did today?
roughly.
Roughly 120? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Oh, so she was a good day there, and we'll catch rolling on another ride.
Definitely soon.
That's right. I'll go over here and see a couple of the other ones.
Bye.
See you guys.
See ya.
Hey,
So,
Say bye to all the viewers.
see ya. Have a good time. Come and join us next time.
Missed out today like usual, but here we are.
Where's Zelly?
I think she's having a poop. No, I don't know what she's doing.
You know that's on camera, right?
Yeah, I know. Why do you think I said it?
A little more info than we really need to know about Ellie. See you, Victor. Take her easy. Drive safe. We'll be chasing you down the highway. Over here and tell Fred thanks for the good ride.
Oh,
Thanks for the good ride, Fred.
all right. You're welcome.
Roland said it was roughly about 120.
120K.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
So
That's
that was a
not
pretty
bad.
good ride, and
Yeah.
like I say, it's
Yeah,
19th of February, so it won't be long, and we'll be getting out for some more rides.
Yeah.
Oh, Kathy brought her spare socks.
The infamous sock.
You don't leave home without those now, do you? That's a little running joke from when we got caught in the windstorm last May. She kind of got her feet wet.
Yeah. That was good.
Yeah, no, it was a good ride.
The trails were pretty good.
Yeah, yeah.
A little
They say-
mushy in a couple of spots. But
It might have been a little better if we had went to Stirling first. If we had known we were going to do that.
Yeah, gone earlier in the day.
Yeah, it might have been a little firmer down there
Yeah.
this afternoon, right? But hey, overall, still wasn't bad. All good. Oh. Okay, well, thanks for the good ride, Fred.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. So
We'll wait for the
that
next
makes
one.
it now. What do we?
We only got another week and we're out of February, Darren.
I know.
Yeah.
So that means pretty much, other than 2 weeks, we weren't on the trails here.
Yeah.
That was about it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sell their snowmobiles, buy four-wheelers and then side-by-sides.
Yeah.
See you later, Fred.
See you later. Take care.
Oh. Don's here doing his house cleaning.
I told Don.
You missed a spot there, Don.
Get the ice off.
On camera.
Good ride, Don.
Yes, it was.
We'll catch you on the next one.
All right, guys.
There's Ellie.
I was not having a poop.
Well, we heard it from the man himself. She was having a poop.
I was not having a poop.
How was the ride?
It was very good. Lots of fun.
Well,
Very fun. All done.
oh, she got to put the cigarette out first.
You weren't supposed to say that.
2 thumbs. Fred,
Oh, all right.
you got 2 thumbs up.
All right.
Ellie approved.
That's a bonus.
That's good.
Ellie approved.
No, that was a great day. Thanks, Fred.
That's good.
Yeah, we had lots of fun.
Because if you only get like 1 thumb from Ellie, that's not good.
Oh,
And if it's like this,
right?
it's really not good then.
They were fantastic.
Yeah, I've had some of those. Actually, I think I've had one of these. But yeah, and then it takes a while to get that thumb to come back up to get on her good side again.
Yeah, gotta work extra hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it was awesome.
Okay, everybody. Say 120 clicks roughly, give or take. And we'll catch us on the next ride. Sure to hit the subscribe button. Like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Roland's Fanatical Side Rider
That's it.
as well.
Come on,
And
get some merch.
yeah, he's got some merch there too. I got hats, but yeah, subscribe to his, like us, leave a comment. We'll catch us again.